What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the dissolved and also grainy effect animation of a sand like this. And you can create this animation, let's say for your opening or closing video, or you can also create it for your films. And if you haven't had the software or the skills yet to create this animation, but if you would like to make it, let's say for your video asset, don't worry, because you can create this animation for free and also online. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Grok AI, and if you would like to access it, then don't forget to do the login first with your email or the X, which is the Twitter account. And this will be the home page, and after that you can start to go to this image, and you can go to this section and you'll see the drop out. You can generate the animation or the video and also the image, and also change the aspect ratio over here. So you can make sure that this is the video. You need to activate it first. And you can also create the animation from the picture, or you can also create it from the text. For example, like this. I use the simple text or the simple prompts, like the create the animation of a word sand gradually dissolving into a fine realistic sand and also particle. And also the sand should gently fall away and vanish against a solid black background, and also emphasize a smooth granular disintegration effect as if the letters are made of the solid sand. And after that you can continue to click this generate button, and after that this will bring you into this section, and kindly wait for maybe 1 minute. So this will be the result. So guys, you can also still have a chance to have a little bit different look of the animation, but if you like it, then you can start to download it and it will be officially saved into your device. And if you scroll down, you can also see this will be the text we have. And for example, I will also demo you. If you scroll down, you can also actually have another sample of the picture, and if you'd like to generate it into the animation like this, so you need to click this and make it into the video, and it will let the Grok AI to transform this picture or this look to become the animation. So this will be another result, and you can also download it too. So not only showing you the result of the animation, but this Grok AI will also give you another, let's say the alternative of the animation. Which one do you prefer? So if you'd like to make this, let's say this one, so you can make it into the video, and kindly wait for the result, and the look's gonna be like this too. And the button is gonna be the same. It will have the download button or create the share link like this. And also if you click this one, it will also show you the option like make it into the spicy or fun or normal animation. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Grok AI to create your animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.